Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way possible to watch the League of Legends replays and complete the League of Legends replay quest. In order to do that, first open up the client, and after that what you need to do is go to the quest section, and from there you need to find the quest including the replays and click on the link. When the link opens in your browser, from there you need to log into your own account so that rewards actually count for you. So from there, just click on it, wait for it to load, then log in, and after that you need to go to the schedule section, click on the schedule, wait for it to open, and after that you will see a bunch of league games and a bunch of filters. So you wanna keep the filters on what it is, you don't wanna touch it. I'm not saying it won't actually work on the other leagues, but you're not gonna wanna try it. Some work, some don't. Anyways, so you wanna find the game which you haven't watched before. You gotta make sure the game is unique, like you never watched it before. So click on it. For me it was this game, so I clicked on it. Make sure the reward section has a green tick, so you can make sure the reward is on. After that, put the quality on 144 and mute the video so you can do anything you want to do in the meantime the video plays. So I put the counter up so you can see how long it takes. The Riot Games actually puts a threshold on it, so it's actually between 9 to 11 minutes. So it takes between 9 to 11 minutes for Riot Games to actually count the replay which you watched. In the meantime, you can do anything you like. If you want to browse the internet, you can actually open a new window. Be sure to open a new window. Don't open a tab, it might interfere with it. And if you want to play a game in the League of Legends, there's nothing stopping you. It will not interfere with the replay which you are viewing. So I'm gonna fast forward this part so you can actually get there and see how it works. And for the window which is open in your browser and the replay is playing in it, for that window you don't want to actually mess with it, like you don't want to go to the different part like standings, rewards. Preferably do not touch any of these parts and just stay in it. Wait for the game to be over, then check all the other stuff you want to check. And by the way, if the video you clicked on, the video you were watching, didn't start from the game, the start of a game like mine, there's a slight chance it doesn't count. Like, just to be sure, choose a video which starts from the start of a game. So we're getting close to it. So this is the part where it ends. So it's up about 8:43, so we're gonna count it as a 9. So to sum it up, it's about 9 minutes. So it took about 9 minutes for this to finish. So I'm gonna get the load because it was my last mission, so you can actually see. Yes, that's the reward for me there, and that's that. So after this is over, you might have more challenges, like more steps to finish this. So you want to go into the browser, check what game it is. It's OBC Rux versus Rux. So you wanna go to the schedule, find the game which you're watching, and after you find it, you just gonna wanna just click on one above it or one below it, does not matter. Just the game which you haven't watched yet. And that's that. You're gonna continue this and keeps going until you run out of quests or run out of games. If you run out of games, you just gotta wait for the games to be played and put in the schedule, and then you're gonna get to see them. And that was it. If you enjoyed this video, consider hitting that like button and subscribing. Have a nice day.